Let's see how to connect two units via Bluetooth, streaming audio from the iPad, one channel to each of the systems from the iPad, creating a master and a slave link via Bluetooth, and later we will connect a microphone in the input number 2 here, and we will send this audio signal using the output connector to the other system. So first step, to connect and to create the link between the two units via Bluetooth. So if this is going to be the master unit, we have to come here to the wireless audio menu and create new link, select master left, and go to the other channel, to the same menu, and create new link and press slave right, and here press continue. This will establish the connection between the two units. Okay, the link is done now. So next step is to adjust the iPad Bluetooth connection to the master unit, the one which is with this ID number. In this moment, the link is done. So we are going to be able to stream audio to both systems. Keep in mind that level control of Bluetooth is on potentiometer of channel number 1. Okay, next step is going to be to connect the microphone input. Okay. Before doing your connections, we should be switching off the systems in order to avoid noises. Now we have this microphone directly connected to the input number 2. This will be the output level. Hey, 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 hello. If we want to have the same signal and the same level on this channel, we have to raise the volume at the very same as we have on the master unit. So by doing this, we have our mix copied from one system to the other.
Oh, yes, I am, baby.
Hello, hello.